this perhaps somebody who has a conflict in their life.
Red light.
Alright,
What's that?
tell them you're sorry, but there's ways to change the wrong to right. See, we can sit in a distant haze and watch rain.
para un sistema de consejo más de Dios Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hasta que pique fiel a Rusia como está yani amor a Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala
Run away when you video it.
They say way back when knew how, but there's nothing telling you now just to do your right.
Say hi. Hello. Hello.
But your tomorrows are all that seems to escape from your lips. But I don't wanna wait today for something that might never ever show its face again. I promise that I've heard too much already. To me, it seems ridiculous to trust in none of your games you play. It's one night, one world, one chance, and I don't wanna wait.
So Leo, 8 days into this, what can you say so far about the experience?
Should have picked a different companion.
Can't blame you. Can't blame you in the least bit.
Yeah, second group, the name is Leo. Leo.
Government that'll let you down, no racist leader, no one trusted an army that's been good than us in a poverty on a global scale, a fragile world with fragile air and fragile water. I'm sure they'll put off till tomorrow, but I don't wanna wait today for something that might never ever show its face again. I promise.
Goodbye, cruel world. What is your name? Christopher Gubby. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You don't want you? Cobia? No. I gotta get one more ticket. Alright, I'm Josh. What's your name? Paul? Nice to meet you. We're getting the best gas in town right here. Paul's filling us up. What's your name? Good. Lucy? Lucy, you're on video right now. Hello!
Gold exchanges for silver, and the light on a river gets carried away. On and on, on and on. On and on, on and on.
At least we can get video to get fined again. Another ticket! Yay! Tickets, fines!
On my way and I'm blunder, my head falling under a blanket of shame. On and on, on and on. On and on, on and on.
Great Zimbabwe ruins. Working our way up to the hill complex.
Mama told me when I was young, who sat beside me, my only son, and listen closely to what I say. And if you do this, it'll help you some sunny day.
Now you're on video. Don't run away. Say hi. Hey, now you're famous. You're gonna be all over the internet now.
Yeah, you know. Send them out to Wagwan. Yo, just hold firm, you know. Keep moving. Hold your head up, you know. Hey, yo. Wake up in the morning, say a little thing to God. Him bless me. There's food in
They
my
know she's passing, or she passed to keep us from being stuck in this. We would have left an hour ago before I heard about her. Thanks for looking out for me, Mom. I love you.
Still searching for the words to put on the page. Still dreaming about the day when me dead on the States. But nothing now come, that's when me brother said, you have to keep moving, send on. Yeah, no matter what's going on, you know I say you have to shut down. Yeah, you have to keep moving, send on. Yeah, this just another broken hearted truth. You're the lonely one. Yeah, when me say Emily, she coulda tell no sad story. I'm an abuser, I'm gonna beat her up badly. Sure, I coulda what take Bradley. Or hope fading quick up starting a family. One day she decide she can't take it no more. She ball out, cry, go down on the floor. That's when she take the razor. Telephone a ring, somebody on the other line a tell her say, you have to keep moving. No matter
arrest us for fun? Him? Arrest him? Him! He's got the bright orange shirt. He's already got the inmate shirt on.
Someone is looking out for me. That would have been bad news in the mountains.
First you were my father, now I love you like a brother. Earthquakes shake the dust behind you. This world at times will blind you. Still I know I see you. Come a little closer than you see. Come on, come on, come on. Things are not always what they seem to be. Come on, come on, come on. Do you understand the things that you've been seeing? Come on, come on, come on. Do you understand the things that you've been dreaming? Come a little closer than you see. Heart breaks, the heavy words upon your shoulders. Where we burn on and just smolder. Somehow I know I found you there. Wanna see if you can change it, change it. Still I know I see you. Come a little closer than you see. Come on, come on, come on. Things are not always what they seem. Follow me into the desert as thirsty as you are. Crack a smile and cut your mouth and drown in alcohol. 'Cause down below the truth is lying beneath the riverbed. So quench yourself and drink the water that flows below her head. There she goes, out in the sunshine. The sun is mine. The sun is mine.
Nice to meet you. Nice bike you got there. You want to trade? Dozo, nice to meet you too. Very nice to meet you. You want to ride to Malawi? Let's go to Malawi. One tank of gas. You good? I was following one of you guys on these last night in the dark. He was fast. Very fast. Yeah. Nah, this is easy. Alright guys, be good. I'm Josh. Joshua. That's Leo. Now you're on video. What's your name? John? What's your name? Awesome. Nice to meet you, gentlemen. Say hello. You want to dive underwater? We can go underwater with you. Ready? Set? Go underwater. Dive. Yeah, you'll be on there, underwater.
Open my eyes each morning.
Nice out
I
here.
rise to find the truth. I know that it's there. I'm lucky to breathe. I'm lucky to feel. I'm glad to wake up. I'm glad to be here with all of this world and all of its pain, all of its lies and all of its letdown. I still
Everybody
feel
say
a
hi.
sense of freedom.
High fives.
So
High fives.
glad I'm around. It's my freedom.
Everybody, high fives. Give me some. Oh, I forgot you too. Come on. Hello, little man. What's your name? Ellaby? Very nice. Joshua. What's your name? What's your name? Chumba? What's your name? Cozy? Eric, very nice to meet you. Oh. Something? Very nice. Oh yeah, it can happen. Yeah, that's tough. Inogi? Very nice. Derek, nice to meet you. Yeah, it's nice to meet you too. Hello, little man. Hello. Hello. You too. What's your name? Siti? Siti, nice to meet you. Hello. You too. It's you. You're on video. You too. Oh, don't run away. We're at the Mulungu Amankoda Alinizi shop.
Can't you see that I'm busy now? I've got a knack for some trouble, believe me. And lately I've been trying to block it out. I've got a strange little other side.
Hello. Hello. This is. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? What town is this? Silonga Beach Show. Silonga Beach Market. Say hello. Hello. You're being videoed too. I know that one. Say hello. Say hello. What's your name?
I did not know the
The little man's name. Little man. You too. No, don't run away. I see you running away. Say hello. Hello. Little ones. That's your little dog, your kid? So what's the name of the town again? I'm not going to try to say that. I won't. It's close.
And if you think you can't count your mistakes, think again, cause I know that you can. Yes, sir, I'm pretty sure that we grow.
You like the bike?
There's a simple mistakes that we make.
You like the ride?
There ain't no easy way. Say it and there ain't no easy way. Ooh, and I can tell when I look at you. Ooh, you know exactly what I'm going through. The same thing happens. The same thing happens. But you keep thinking you could be this better man, see. Instead of taking life for granted, we'll feel lucky to be alive. Good how
You have children?
Yes.
How many?
I mean, maybe my first age and the 3 years.
You have 3 children?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Nice. You? Children? No? No children? Yes? These are all your children, right? All of you guys? Hello. Hello. We are at the there's no name here. We're somewhere in Malawi. Leo's hot. Yes. Well, thank you very much, y'all. Thank you. Have a good day. What's your name? Where are we? Aringa? Do you like it here? That was a bad boy speeding, wasn't he? He was. Leo was bad. He was bad. I was good. Bad. You forgive him? See? It's very nice. Everybody's been very nice in Africa.
Look away. I can see it clear as day. Close your eyes. So afraid. Hide behind that baby face. Do, 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 do. You can drive.
What's your name?
All night.
What's your name?
Looking for the answers in the pouring rain. Wanna find
Hello?
peace of mind.
Nice to meet you all.
Looking for the answers. Funny how it seems like yesterday. As I recall, you were looking out of place, gathered up your things and slipped away. No time at all, I followed you into the hall. Cigarette, daydream. You were only 17, so sweet with the mean streak. Nearly brought me to my knees. You can drive all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. You wanna find peace of mind, looking for the answers. If we can find a reason to change, looking for the answers. If you can find a reason to stay. Standing in the pouring rain. You can drive all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. Wanna find peace of mind.